What's going on, guys? Something happened to our original intro and I'm reshooting it. Anyway, today we are doing a 140cc 4-speed swap on our mini ATV. It was a little tricky, but it was really worth it. Enjoy the video.
So here we go. We got a 140. Hey man.
What's up?
Here we go. You're gonna like this. Just in case you get bored while I'm pulling this engine out of the box, got some reading material for you.
Yeah, we are cultured here at Cars and Cameras.
Absolutely.
Oh boy. Alrighty. Ordered this engine from pitsterpro.com. It's supposedly a high output, close ratio transmission engine. So even though we're only going from a 125 or 110 to a 140, we should see a really good improvement in horsepower. And I want to say shipping was like $50 and they gave me a discount, which is nice of them. I want to say it was $380 or so dollars, which compared to a Predator 212 is a lot. But we've never done one before and we want to do one, and we want, you know, we like the whole idea of a transmission, so we're checking it out. It does come with a bunch of goodies like oil cooler.
Engine oil cooler, yep.
It's not electric start, is it?
I sure hope it is. It doesn't look like it.
It's a kickstart, dude.
Could be an issue.
Yep. Can we rob the starter motor?
No.
We cannot.
No.
Alright.
It's different.
Definitely should have thought of this. This is my problem every time, dude. I see high performance and I like don't look at anything else. I'm like, okay, that's what we need.
I think we ought to remove these plastic pieces right here,
Okay.
to give room for a kickstart and the shifter on this side.
Sounds good. Come on.
Filthy.
Which one, dude?
Yeah. This is the frame, so it's not going to come out through the top. So it's going to come out through the side or the bottom. There we go. Not much to that rack, is it?
Nope. I like it.
Go for it.
Hit it, dude.
There we go. Look at that exhaust.
Buddy, I believe we're ready to try.
All right, let's
We're
come
out.
out with it.
Bottom's out. Top it. Huh. So we got her loose, and yet we can't get her out.
Looks like we just had to hold their tongues, right? Can't you get a stroker kit for these or something?
Yeah. Well, I don't know about stroker kit, but you can get a big bore kit.
Oh, we should look into that.
Look at the head.
It's right up against the frame.
Yeah, I don't know. See, the head's gotta go down
Right.
to make the lower mount hook up. I don't know, maybe if we just keep playing with it, we can get it to go back a little and down, and then
It's the head, man.
good
Ooh,
with
you
the
got it.
low. So, let's try to get the upper
Yep.
fold in. I'm in.
Yep.
All right.
You got it.
Dude,
We're in with it.
she's in with it. She's in there.
There's a lot of wiring we gotta do though.
Well,
It's not too bad.
it's not too bad. Check it out. They got a little thing where if you hit something, it folds back.
Okay, that is pretty nice.
Couple of major issues, dude.
Just a few major issues.
Yeah. One, the wiring is not a direct plug-in, so I'm gonna have to figure out what wires go to what. We can't even kickstart it because the rear right tire's in the way.
So the kickstart is also an issue because it's right there. We're not even gonna be able to use these rear brakes.
Rear brakes?
I know, yeah. Do the front ones even work?
I don't.
Okay.
But here's the kickstart, and as you can see, everything's in the way.
So good news, the intake and carburetor is going to fit on the engine with no problem interfering with frame. So all good. They included some gaskets and some plastic spacers, and Ike says these plastic spacers are used to keep the intake colder. You don't have to use them, but they help keep the intake colder, and colder air going into your engine means more power. Marginal, but more power.
Now it's just bend out of the way. Oh my. That's all I needed. Dang.
Yeah.
It does feel like it's got some high compression.
We got to do some welding. We just discovered a big crack in the frame.
Two cracks.
Two big cracks in the frame. Got to weld up that exhaust. Also have to drill it out. Anyway, we're going to save all those things for tomorrow because it's late. Anyway, see y'all in a second. Good morning. We are still fooling with this darn starter and this darn exhaust. Well, the exhaust isn't a big deal. So for some reason, the manufacturer, we don't know why, it's a fact and it is what it is. With that emissions equipment they put on here that I just cut off, they overbored the hole and they sleeved it with a pipe. So basically 3/4 of the exhaust is blocked. And that may have even held us back on the 125, which we found out is actually a 107. It's definitely gonna hold us back on this 140. So I'm gonna drill it out. Ooh. This was like smack dab in the middle of the exhaust, causing all kinds of restrictions.
Yeah.
Doesn't look that big, but when you consider the exhaust was diameter was only a little bit bigger than this, it's restrictive.
Yep. The plan is I'm gonna pull start it. This is the shifter from the automatic engine, and I'm gonna just put it right up here, and we're gonna go vroom, 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 da, 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 da. I think we got enough.
So, because of poor planning again, we have to go to the shed and steal some parts.
Hey man.
Yeah. Like that. All we have to grab is a handlebar,
Grip. Or
grip.
not, dang
not
it.
a grip, like the handle.
The brake handle.
Yeah, brake handle.
And we're gonna turn it into a clutch handle.
Right.
We have my mini bike up there on the table over there.
Yep.
It doesn't have an engine on it, so we can probably steal it. Oh, serious?
What, Torx or something?
Allen.
Oh, great.
It's an Allen. So it looks like we're gonna steal it from
The complete one?
the complete one. You line these up, you pull the cable, and it's a pain in the butt. There we go. And it comes right out. Well, the handle looks about the right size. I think this is going to be a little bit of an issue, but the cable might deflect enough. Oh, wow, it fits. like it was meant to be. Check that out.
We thought we would only gain like 15 cubic centimeters when we're actually gaining 33, right?
What, on this right now?
Yeah, because it's actually a 107 and not a 125.
Right. Well, let's try push starting it.
All right, pop clutch.
Yeah. All right, go. Oh yeah, the camera's gonna love it because I fell when it started. All right.
All right, let's try it again.
Yeah, but
Thanks, buddy.
let's break it in some before
Before
idling it
dropping
and
on
all that stuff.
All right, that sounds good.
All right.
Ready? Yeah, go.
Yoke is off?
Yeah. Turns up pretty fast. Oh, is that it?
That's it.
That's it. Sweet, dude.
Yeah. It looks fast.
Man, it sounds good.
It sounds like it's gonna be fast.
Yeah.
Alright, dude, take it easy, bud. Oh no, it is fast.
Wanna give it a shot?
Yes, please.
No.
Are you good, dude? Are you okay? Yeah. I think it's too. Oh, we're burning plastic shielding.
Oh.
All right.
Dude, this thing's pretty bad.
Oh, my hip.
You okay?
Cramp. It's so cramped on that thing.
Yeah, it is.
It is awesome, man.
Yeah.
Yes.
Not too bad.
Question is, will it do a burnout? It won't do it. I just broke the front brake cage.
Seriously?
Never mind. I broke that.
The brakes still work or no?
Brakes don't work.
Oh, there you go. So we still have a few kinks to work out, but overall, swap was a success.
Yes.
What do you think?
I'm pretty thrilled with it. It's pretty fast, probably faster than we should be on this thing.
Yeah.
So maybe if we put a smaller gear, we get a little bit more pulling power, hill climbing. Electric start, we wouldn't even had to bother with the kick start or the pull start, which is a failure.
Yeah, you got it to work, but
I got it to work, but it sucks. I would like a 3-speed semi-auto on this thing.
with reverse.
With reverse. That's another thing. That's why I said 3-speed, because the 3-speed I believe has the reverse.
I think we can work out a better pull start system or kick start, which we can do next week or something. It came with an oil cooler. I think we should take advantage of that.
We
and
should put the
install
oil
it.
cooler on you.
Right. We lost front brakes. We need to get them back. And we need to weld up the chassis, which we didn't do, and we don't have time for today because we got to work on the rail. We're doing some big things to the rail. We're not doing turbo yet or EFI yet. I need to get you to look at an email, by the way,
Okay.
because we're still talking to people about that. Anyway, what are your thoughts on the 140 ATV? Should we have kept reverse? Should we have kept semi-auto? I don't know. I like it the way it is. if we can come up with a better pull start. So that's all we have for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Check us out on Facebook and Instagram at Cars and Cameras Reviews. Don't forget to leave us a thumbs up for the ATV video.
Check me out at Isaac It'll Be Fine.
And let us know what you want to see us do with it in the future. Like we said, full-size ATV maybe coming up if that's what you guys want to see. But yeah, let us know. We will see you Monday with a special video about the dragster. We're doing paint. See y'all next time.